It can be used to apply fertilizer, dig deeply in the orchard, channel excavation, plant trees, dig cable trench, excavate water pipe, and to brake indoors. Equipped with Briggs and Stratton engines, it features mature and stable performance, making it suitable for the high-frequency operation requirements of small-scale projects. It is equipped with a hydraulic thumb clamp and a bucket, featuring dual functions of grasping and digging. The miniature body and track design are suitable for scenarios, such as small-scale infrastructure construction and garden renovation.